Hi, this video is here to help you solve problems using data from bar charts. Let's start by looking at this bar chart, which shows children's favourite flavours of ice cream. Before we start answering questions about a bar chart, it's important to check that we understand what each bar represents and also identify the scale that's being used. The horizontal line along the bottom of the bar chart can also be called the x-axis. In this bar chart, we can see that each of the bars is a flavour category. Each bar represents a different flavour of ice cream. The vertical line at the side of the bar chart can also be called the y-axis. In this bar chart, this tells us the number of children who chose each flavour. This scale is labelled in steps of 2. This means that each of the horizontal lines on this chart has a value of 2. Now let's answer some questions about the bar chart. How many children chose chocolate as their favourite flavour of ice cream? First, we find the bar that represents chocolate ice cream, and then we identify the value of the height of the bar. It's a good idea to use a ruler or a straight edge to make sure we read from the chart accurately. We can see that 16 children chose chocolate as their favourite flavour. We can label the bar with 16 because we might need this data again later. How many more children chose vanilla than mint? As we are comparing two bars, we first need to find out the totals of each of the bars. We can see that the height of the vanilla bar isn't labelled on the scale. As each interval has a value of 2 and the bar is in the middle of 10 and 12, it must have a value of 11. 11 children chose vanilla ice cream. How many children chose mint? Did you work out that 7 children chose mint? To work out how many more children chose vanilla, we need to subtract 7 from 11, giving us an answer of 4. How many children were asked altogether? We already know how many children chose chocolate, vanilla and mint. What information are we missing? How many children chose strawberry as their favourite flavour? 9 children chose strawberry. How will we work out how many children were asked altogether? We need to add together each of the totals. 11 add 9 add 16 add 7 equals 43. So 43 children were asked altogether. Let's look at another bar chart. This bar chart has horizontal bars instead of vertical bars, but it works in exactly the same way. Pause here and see if you can answer the following questions about the bar chart. Question 1. How many children ordered a school dinner on Thursday? Question 2. How many fewer children ordered a dinner on Tuesday than on Friday? Remember, fewer means a smaller quantity or amount. In maths, it means a lesser value. Question 3. On how many days did less than 60 children order a school dinner? Here are the answers. Question 1. 55 children ordered a dinner on Thursday. The bar was exactly halfway between the intervals marked 50 and 60, and 55 is the midpoint of these two numbers. Question 2. 25 fewer children ordered a dinner on Tuesday than on Friday. This is because 50 children ordered a dinner on Tuesday and 75 children ordered a dinner on Friday, and 75 subtract 50 equals 25. Question 3. Less than 60 children ordered a school dinner on 2 days, Tuesday and Thursday. Now it's time for a final challenge. This bar chart represents the data in the table. What number or words should be in each of the empty boxes? And here are the answers. How did you do? I hope this video helped you understand how to solve problems using data in a bar chart. If you're looking for more maths help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and check them out?